two weak acids are prepared at a molarity of 1 molar. Weak acid A is measured to have a pH of 3, and weak acid B is measured to have a pH of 4.5. Compare the strength of the two acids. Which one is weaker? How do you know? What this is asking is, like, we know that a weak acid is an acid that does not fully dissociate. So if we want to know which one is weaker, we really want to know which one dissociates less. Which one is better at holding together? And we can figure this out from just the pH of these solutions, since we know that they're both prepared at equal molarities of 1 molar. If weak acid A has a pH of 3 and weak acid B has a pH of 4.5, we know that B has a higher pH, obviously. And we also know from just understanding the pH scale that the higher we are on the pH scale, the lower the concentration of hydrogen ions. That's up at 14. Down closer to 0, we know that that's going to be a higher concentration of hydrogen ions. And we also know that since these are both acids, when they dissociate, they put H plus ions in solution. So the one that dissociates less should be the one that doesn't have as many hydrogen ions, right? The one with the lower concentration of hydrogen ions. So that's going to be B, right? B has the lower concentration of hydrogen ions, and we know that because it's higher on the pH scale, right? 4.5 is higher on the pH scale than 3. So you can see 3 is going to have a higher concentration of H+. If it has a higher concentration of H+, then we know that 3 is the one that dissociates more. If we want to know the weaker one, we pick the one that dissociates less. So B is the one that dissociates less. It's the one that is weaker. What does it mean for an acid to be weaker than another? The one that's weaker is the one that dissociates less.